Assalamualaikum. Hi, how are you? My name is Kamar Kazi. In this video, I'm trying a YouTube cooking recipe in home and analyzing everything and let you know. Number one thing is how a YouTube cooking recipe actual make in home. Number two thing, how a YouTube cooking recipe costs to make in home. And number three thing, last but not the least, is it worth to make it home? So let's get started to the video. Today I'm trying Village Food Secret recipe. I'm making chicken tikka pizza recipe by Village Food Secret Mubashir Siddiqui. So let's get started and see how it's made. Let's make dough for pizza. 1 tablespoon yeast, 2 tablespoon sugar, half tablespoon salt, and some water. Mix it well. Alhamdulillah, it's perfectly done. It's well mixed. Now we are adding oil, 1 and 2 tablespoon oil. Now we're adding maida, little more. Now we're adding water. Now mix it well. Alhamdulillah, it's perfectly mixed. Now add some oil, put it there like that, and then leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's marinate the chicken. 1 tablespoon oil and 2 tablespoon oil. Okay, now add tikka powder, tikka masala, 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoon. It's up to you. You can add it by your taste. Now add 2 tablespoon yogurt and mix it well. Alhamdulillah, it's perfectly mixed. Now leave it for 5 minutes. Let's fry the chicken. Add oil, half of the cup. It's only for frying, nothing else. Okay. Now we add some garlic, small pieces. Little bit fried. Now add chicken. And fry it. It only takes 2 to 3 minutes because it's the small pieces of chicken, so it will not take the much time. It's perfectly fried. Let's make the base for our pizza. Take a ball and now flatten the base. Put some maida, it's good, it's not stick to that. Alhamdulillah, it's perfectly flat in the base. Let's rub on this. Rahim. Some pores, holes with the fork. So now apply pizza sauce. It's perfectly on it. Now put some pizza sauce or cheese. Now put onions. It's up to you, it's by your taste. Now some capsicums. Now chicken.
the marinate fried chicken we are adding on it. Now put again pizza cheese.
We already hot the oven, so now we're just putting in that and leave it like 25 to 30 minutes. So the cost for this recipe is approximately 1000 rupees. I'll tell you in detail. I use not cheese, pizza cheese. I use cheddar cheese, cheddar mozzarella cheese. It's 350 rupees, and capsicum like 30 rupees, onion 30 rupees, pizza sauce 200 rupees, mm, maida 50 rupees, chicken 150 rupees, and oil 50 rupees, yeast 30 rupees, tikka masala 100 rupees. So it's approximately near 1000 rupees. So the question is it worth to put your 1000 rupees, which you can get like two medium sized pizza from market, and you don't need to put your personal effort. So the question is it worth to put your 1000 rupees plus your personal effort? So my answer is like, if you like cooking by yourself, then it is worth. And if you don't want to enjoy the cooking, so then it doesn't work. I hope you guys enjoy my different kind of video, and if you do, then please don't forget to let me know in the comment section. And don't forget one more thing, please let me know which recipe should I try in my next video. As you see, this is a small pizza because I ruined my first big pizza. Now we are taking out our pizza and let's see how it is. I hope it's great because we put so much effort in this. The color is quite good. I see. As you see, the color is quite good. I like it. As you see, the color is quite good. Now I'll taste it and tell you how's it. Okay, the taste is quite good, but I rate it 70 out of 100, not 100, because yeah, it's not like the professional as I expected. But for me, I don't know how to cook, so for me, it's quite valuable. For like, it's quite acceptable because I don't know how to cook. I even don't made pizza in my whole life, so it's my first time I'm making pizza just by seeing the YouTube recipe of one channel. So it is worth to make it home. Thank you. Bye.